CoreWeave on the move. Losses widening as the company tries to meet what their CEO is calling unprecedented demand for AI. Shares getting a hit on the earnings report. Christina Partsinevelos here to break things down. I guess it's a good problem to have, Christina. Stock's down there 14%.
Yeah, I'll get to why specifically, but the company did beat revenue expectations by 12% and locked in expansion deals, they said, with two major hyperscaler customers. The bulls will say solid execution in this AI infrastructure space. Definitely a lot of bullish notes out this morning. But as you can see, the stock is down quite a bit, down 14%. No, not so much on fundamentals as it is about timing. Shares have absolutely ripped higher, about 120% gains since the last earnings report. And that kind of run up really sets a high bar. And now, this is the key, we've got the lockup period expiring later this week, considering that the company just IPO'd this year, which means a flood of previously restricted shares could hit the market this Friday a.m. The numbers from the report tell a mixed story. Yes, revenue growth was strong, but CoreWeave, and Sarah, you mentioned that in the intro, is spending heavily to capture that growth. We're talking about 4 to 5 times the revenue in capital expenditures. That's been the known trade-off here, though. That's, again, what the bulls will say, and it's why margins keep getting squeezed in the near term. Citi noted that while the OpenAI contract they talked about was already announced, new backlog additions were modest at just $200 million. So net new, only 200, even though the company talked about a much higher number. Expect volatility as these lockup shares to really just get absorbed. But the AI demand, to your point, really just, according to them, remains intact, with demand still outpacing supply. But the reason you're seeing such a drastic sell-off are two reasons: the high bar set prior to earnings and the lockout period. So wait for that to flush out, and then could be a buying opportunity.
We will keep our eyes on it through the course of the week. Christina, thank you.